Is it like that? And it closes?
I don't know, okay? It's like a big asshole. Can you get the fucking thing out? Fuck him.
What happened?
Yeah, tell him what happened.
Tell the movie.
Fag tells me a bean is stuck in his ass, so I'm digging for a bean, or a raisin, perhaps, and my fucking finger's stuck. And I swear to you, I swear to God, the fucking thing hurts. Ow! Oh, shit, it's cut now. You cut it. You cut it. Ow! Don't pull it. This thing needs to come off.
Take it off.
Needs to come off. Without fucking cutting me, Frank.
Oh my God.
Don't cut me. You fucking cut me before. Don't touch me.
Matt,
You cut me
help him.
before.
Hold on his hand.
No! He's got a knife.
I'll pull, you push.
Ow! Ow! What the fuck?
Shut up.
Why is it stuck on your
Stop
fingers?
bitching!